What a sad state of affairs in local football when almost an entire slate of Premier League games were not played, not because of a hurricane or an earthquake, not because of any waterlogged fields, but because the referees did not turn up. Word is that they didn't strike because the referees are not employed to the PFAJ or the JFF. So the referees were just conveniently injured and unavailable. All, of course, because of outstanding payments owed to the referees. So teams traveled many miles to play football. Spectators traveled many miles to support them team. And no match to play because no referees turn up. And look, we don't know the financial standing of the PFAJ, but much officiating in Jamaica is not an easy thing. And the games cannot be played without the referees. So the referees' fee must be automatically fixed into any kind of budget where the PFAJ have. And look, it is kind of ironic that it was a certain former referee who called the local Premier League a bush league and everybody up in arms. But really and truly, it's only in a bush league them kind of thing happen. Why would the PFAJ wait until the league is disrupted before they pay the referee them little pittance? A bush league to Joe. Bush league. A 2 Premier time. Bush league. Bush, and more bush. Bush league